the way that you've acted to me, the way that you've threatened the staff, the way that you've threatened my coordinator on the phone in this life, you get.
Your coordinator, I had a very good conversation.
Your only discussion was with the judge.
This entitled Brat was literally causing threats to Judge Fleischer's courtroom staff. Yeah, threats. Like, she forgot court isn't Twitter and you can't just mouth off to people who actually hold power to lock you up. And now she's standing face to face with Judge Fleischer herself, trying to explain her way out of bad behavior. And you can already feel the tension in the room. I mean, what really blows my mind is how people think intimidation or fake apologies will work on a judge who's seen it all. This one's about to be a masterclass in consequences. Let me know in the comments if you guys like Judge Fleischer's style or not. But let's go ahead and dive right in here.
I don't know what the issue is, but I think that, you're calling it not being very nice to my staff.
Me and her had a good conversation. I mean, the lady, she said she was even going to try to help me. She even wanted to told me come today. That's how I got the information.
You weren't supposed to be here today. We gave you a date of December 16th.
Yeah, but when I called and I explained to her that I won't be here, I won't have nowhere to stay while I'm here. And I told her, she said, bring my information, my documents that I had to prove that I had eviction and I was moving back home to my mom. So how can I be here on December 16th if I'm leaving on the 15th?
Well, you've got this case open, right? So you can't just move and leave without taking care of this first,
I know, but that was already arranged. That's why I called and did due diligence to say, hey, how do I go about this process?
Okay, so you need a lawyer, right? We spoke about that last time.
That's why I brought everything to show that I have an eviction. How can I pay for a lawyer? I don't even have the money for one. And
if I remember last time you came here, you said you have your own business. You've got
because I have business that
4
doesn't
trucks.
make money. Yeah, I did, but I'm here because the guy who I'm here for ruined that truck, totaled the truck, and I don't have it. I never got it back. That's why I'm here. My livelihood was ruined by the guy that I'm here for.
And now charged with terroristic threat.
That's fine.
You've been filed on for this case.
I just need to respectfully see how can I go about the process that a person, when I called, a rep told me to do this. So I came here to respectfully go about the process the right way so I don't miss court. Paper says if you can't make it to do your due diligence, so I'm doing my due diligence and I'm not getting the, response or help. I don't know.
Okay, so you work now currently, right?
My livelihood, no. My work was my truck. It is ruined. It is gone. I have no work. The guy I was here for that worked with me crashed and totaled my truck, which means my work, my only livelihood, my business is ruined.
What were you doing before?
I had my business for 6 years.
Doing what?
Running a commercial fleet service, 26-foot box trucks.
Okay, and how much money were you making a month?
Monthly, after pay, I would say maybe $8,000, and that's including paying for the truck insurance and rent.
Okay, so how much money do you make now a month?
I haven't made money since